Hello, my name is Pierre Gillet. I'm the VP of International Sales at BrightSign. I'm here in Mumbai at InfoComm India, and we're here to showcase products. We have different demos, and here you can see our product lineup. That starts with the BrightSign LS. It goes with the HD, also XD, XT, and XC product line. So all of our products come with the BrightSign operating system, BrightSign OS, that makes our products very secure and very reliable. As I said, those players are solid-state media players. There's one PCB, and they are designed to play content 24/7. So depending on the resolution that you want to use, or depending on the type of content that you want to play, you can pick one of those players. It starts with the LS. We have an entry-level Full HD, and we also have an LS, the 445, that supports 4K. This is our entry-level in 4K. Then you have different players with different level of performance in HTML5. You can obviously play 4K videos with all those players, but also some HTML5 content. So depending on the power, the type of HTML5 content that you want to use, you may require a more powerful player to play that content. We also have here the XT product line, which is one of the high-end with the XC product line as well. Something interesting that we are demoing here, so we have on the XT line, we have the XT2145 that has two HDMI output, two 4K output, and one HDMI input as well. And we have the top of the line, the XC5 product. So we have two models, the XC2055 with two HDMI output, they are 4K outputs, and the XC4055 with four HDMI outputs. Note that those players also support 8K. So we have like more and more customers using LEDs, for instance, 8K LEDs, as I'm going to be showing you in a moment. And the products work very, very well for this kind of applications as well. So here we have a very nice demo using the XC5. As you can see here, we have two XC5 players connected to the screen. The first one that I want to show you is to demo the power of the CPU of the XC5. So this is a very, very intense HTML5 OpenGL application, touchscreen application, and you can see how smooth it is due to the power of this product. You can interact with it, change the scene that way, then go back. So it's a very, very interesting interactive experience. So you can change, you see how smooth it is, and you can change different parameters just like this to move to other scene. The second XC5 demos, which is connected to the player, if I press this button, I can switch to the second player, and what we show here is a Windows desktop. As I said before, if you look at the product, the BrightSign product lineup, all of our players come with BrightSign OS. This is our own operating system that makes the player very reliable and very secured. With the XC5 product line, since it's powered, those like the 2055 and 4055 are powered by Intel, we came up with a Windows version of this XC5 series. As you can see here, this is a Windows desktop. So I just showed you the powerful, the performance of the XC5 with OpenGL app or HTML5 app. Here it's another demo, still with the XC4055, which with the 4K output. As you can see here, you can display your content with one player into those using those 4K display. Here I have a sensor that allows me to switch to another presentation. In that case, we see the video wall mode, where we play the video across the full screen. And I can switch to this one where you can display, use what we call the individual mode, which is different content per screen. So the XC5 players are great to play OpenGL apps. They are great to power video walls. Again, whenever you need 2 screens, 4 screens or more, you can use the XC5 players for those video wall projects, but you can also use them and use the 8K output of the XC5 to power LED walls. That's the case here. As you can see, one HDMI output. This is the 8K output that can power that LED walls. And in that example, we have a sensor that can trigger, which allows me to trigger different content, different playlists, as you can see here.